Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what's inside the Easter egg in Fish It game of Roblox in the Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I already got the egg. If you want to get this Easter egg, you need to collect peep and you can exchange the peep for the Easter egg. Okay, and I'm waiting for the hatching time, guys. And for the hatching time, it's an hour. So you need to wait for an hour to hatch the egg. And okay, 10 seconds left. Okay, you can exchange the peep right here with the egg machine. Okay, I got log 1 potion. And the reward will be so random, guys. It can be potion or coins or something else, but the common reward is coins or the potion. But yeah, it's worth to farm. So I recommend you to collect peeps as many as possible, and you can use it to exchange for the Easter egg. Okay guys, and that's all about the Easter egg in the Fish It game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.